Hello, class 10th students. Greetings of the day. I, Mohammad Zishan, welcome you to the online classes of Bloomingbird Sport School. Today, we are going to study the third chapter of geography. So far, we have studied two chapters, that is, interpretation of topographical maps and second contours, and this third one chapter is regarding scales and direction. So what we were studying about topographical maps. I have already told you what maps are, if you remember, right? And I have told you about the contour lines also, various physical features also, various cultural features also. Now, scales. What are actually scales? See, if one map is there and on that map, if you are supposed to measure the distance between the two places, how will you measure? If you want to know the actual distance between Mumbai and Delhi by looking at the map, will you be able to find so? You may be able to find that actual distance by measuring it with the scale. When, in which case, in case when that particular picture is drawn according to the scales or in proper ratios, when it is drawn with proper ratio or with proper proportion of actual features or actual distances between the places and the distances shown on the map. Okay, so that particular picture will be now called map. Okay, map is a drawing which is drawn according to the scale. Okay, so that we are going to study. Now you must have seen that one map is there, okay, and on that map downside something is written like this, okay, 1:1000, or sometime it is written 1 centimeter, then here 10 kilometer, or sometime one line is drawn like this, okay, which is having divisions here and here, right, like this line is given. So what are these? You must have seen these things drawn on the side of map, okay, like suppose if there is a map drawn here like this, okay, and here you must have seen these things, okay, so these are scales. Now what scale is actually, what is the definition of scale? So scale is the ratio between the map distance and actual distance or the ground distance between the two places. Okay, so like suppose if there is a place, you can say, if what is what is here I am giving example of this board. Okay, so this is the actual board, this one is actual board from here to here, right? So likewise, I have drawn a map of board here. You can say this is a map of board. Okay. So what will be the scale? Scale will be map distance between two places or and the actual distance, or you can say the ground distance or actual distance. Okay. So if I measure this board from here to here, it will be around uh, 4 meter, okay, 4 meter, and here I have drawn a map of this board and the distance from here to here is just 4 centimeter. So why I have taken this distance into centimeter, why I have reduced, why? Because I am now drawing it on some paper, okay, it is just a miniature, okay, the maps are actually the miniature uh, information of the geographical features, getting or not, miniature form of geographical features. So here this map, this board, green board is very huge, okay, 4 meter you can say, and I have just taken this 4 centimeters to draw this. Okay, so this is what this is actually scale is. So scale is what? Map distance over ground distance. Here I have written this 1 is to 100. This is the scale of this. How it is coming? I have measured the distance from here to here is 4 centimeter, and then I have measured the distance from there to there is 4 meter. Okay. Now when we will solve it, 4 centimeter, we will change meters into centimeter. In 1 meter 100 centimeters are there, so it will be 400 centimeter. Centimeter, and then 4 ones are 4, this will go 100 times, so it will be 1 upon 100, or you can say, you can write it like 100. Okay, so here I have taken this scale. Clear? This is a scale. It will tell you that, okay, what is the ground distance and what is the map distance and what is the actual distance. Now we will study how many types of scales are there. There are 3 types of scales. I have already, I think, taught in last classes. The first is statement scale. Statement scale. Second is representative fraction. Or RF scale. And third is linear scale or graphical scale. Graphical scale. Now, what is a statement scale? So, statement scale is given in statement like 1 centimeter, then is equals to here is to 100 kilometer. If one map is drawn and it is written, so it means that, okay, the distance between the two places on map will be equals to 100 kilometer on ground. So suppose if you are measuring distance between Rampur and you can say Lucknow. Okay, if it is coming 4 centimeter, if you measure it with the help of a scale, right, from here to here, right, if it is coming 4 centimeter, so now will be the distance of Rampur and Lucknow is 4 centimeter. That is actually map distance. Now downside it is written 1 centimeter is to 100 kilometer. So 4 centimeter will be equals to 400 kilometer. Okay, 1 centimeter 100 kilometer. So 4 centimeter 400 kilometer. So we will come to know that distance between Rampur and Lucknow is 400 kilometer. This is statement scale. It is written in statement. Okay, this is very easy to understand. The next is representative fraction or RF scale. RF scale, one map will be given to you, and on that map it will be written like this: 1 is to 1 lakh, one side. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that, okay, suppose if on that, suppose this is the map. On this map, suppose this is UP, suppose, right? And here in UP map it is written the distance between this point, this is R Rampur and this is B Balia, right? If it is coming, suppose 8 centimeter, right? What you are doing, this map is given, you need to find out the, you need to find out the, this is written like this, 1 ratio 1 lakh. And now you are supposed to find out the distance between Rampur and Balia. How will you find? How will you find a distance, right? And what does, what is the meaning of this? This is actually representative fraction scale, RF scale. Okay, it is not having any unit. Okay, its advantage is that, okay, it is not having any unit, neither centimeter is written here nor kilometer is written here. Okay, it is in just fraction, so this can be used anywhere in entire world. Okay, where suppose in England, the pounds, okay, and uh, this fps system, fps system is prevalent, okay, foot, pound, right? And whereas in India, uh, cgs system is prevalent. Okay, we measure the distance in centimeters and meters, and they measure distance in inches and foot. Okay, so anywhere, whether somewhere you are taking any unit, okay, you can use it. Clear? You can use it, or people in any country may understand this. Whether you are using this map in USA, then USA people will be able to take out distance, okay, according to their units which are prevalent in USA, as well as the people, those who are using it in India, they will be also feel very much convenient to measure the distances between the two places by using their own prevalent units, okay, which is centimeter and meter. Clear? So now here it is written. Now the thing is that, okay, how we will come to know that what is the distance between this. So what we will do, we will take a ruler, okay, and with the help of that ruler or a scale, we will measure it, right? Then if we measure it, so that will be called map distance. That map distance will be how much? Suppose it is coming 8 centimeter, right? 8 centimeter. So now what will be the actual distance? This is the map distance one, this is the actual distance, right? If it is coming 8, then it means it will be 8 lakh. If it is coming 8, it's, we are using centimeter. Okay, so now it means that, okay, when the distance between Rampur and Balia on paper is 8 centimeter, it means on ground it will be 8 into 1 lakh centimeter. How much? 8 lakh centimeters. 8 lakh centimeters. Clear? So now this 8 lakh centimeter, right? 8 lakh centimeter. So this is map distance, and this was the ground distance, you can say, right? So what we have done, we have taken out this distance. Clear? And uh, we will change it into kilometers, and we will be able to find out the distance between Rampur and Balia. So in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. It means in 1 kilometer how much distance is there? In 1 kilometer there are 1 lakh centimeters are there. Okay, so it means we will divide it by 1 lakh, so how much it will come? 8. 8 kilometer. Okay, so this 8 lakh centimeter will be equals to 8 kilometer. This will be the actual distance between Balia and Rampur. Now you will be saying, sir, Balia is just 8 kilometer away. I gave you just example, okay? I gave you just an example. Balia may be any village near Rampur, okay? Getting or not? So that is actual proportion. Clear? So suppose it may be also given like this, 10 lakh also they may give you, right? Or 1 crore also they may give you, right? If it is 1 crore, then how much it will be? It will be 800 kilometer. Clear? So that way we take out the representative fraction. Clear? Representative fraction is what? In representative fractions, this type of scale is given 1 is to, like this, one number, any number is written, it may be 10,000 also, right, or 1 lakh also, or 10 lakh also, like this one unit, this will be always 1, it will be always 1, and it is map distance, right. This one is ground distance, and it can be anything, right. The this one portion which is on the map, okay, it will be always unitary, it will be always in 1. And second feature is that okay, there will be no unit, no unit, neither meter nor centimeter nor kilometer, no, nothing will be there, just like this uh, fractions is there, okay. So this is fraction, right. How we will use this fraction? I have already told you. If it is given 1 is to 1 lakh, okay, it means कि 1 unit on paper will be equals to 1 lakh unit on what? On ground. Suppose we are having map of Raisatti, right? And we measure the distance between the Kotwali and uh, Kotwali, Raisatti Kotwali and Blooming Words School. If it is coming, how much? 1 centimeter, right. So that 1 centimeter is coming on where? On map. Okay. Now on ground it will be 1 lakh centimeter. This is what actual distance on ground. Clear? 1 lakh centimeter, it means 1000 meters are there in 1 kilometer, and in 1 meter 100 centimeters are there. So it means in 1 kilometer 1 lakh centimeters are there. So it means it is 1 kilometer, you can say, right. Or you can also write like this, 1 centimeter. This will be the final thing, okay, which you will derive from here. This is what? This is the representative fraction, okay. And here what we have done, we have just taken out so many informations, okay, from this. Clear? So this is what representative fraction is. It is also called what? Universal scale, universal scale, global scale, and it is having more advantages than statement as well as these scales. Now next scale is linear scale. Linear scale, as now its name is suggesting, I was saying naam is suggesting, as name is suggesting, okay, line, right. So it is a line, okay. One map will be there. Suppose there is a map like this, again, okay. On that map, like this, one line will be drawn this way, which will be having here 0 will be there, and here 1 2 3 4 5, like this divisions, and here small divisions like this are there, okay, this much only. Clear? Here upside it may be written 25, 50, 75 or 100, like this. Downside it may be written 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10. It may be like this. So what is this? This is the this is downside one is map distance, distance on map, and this is ground distance, distance on ground. Clear? If you are measuring something and that is 2.5, okay, from here to here, if the distance between these 2 points is 5. Okay, clear? So it will be 50 on ground, like this. These are called the primary divisions. Which divisions? Primary divisions, which are this side, okay, from 0, this side primary divisions, and this side secondary division. Secondary division, and what are primary divisions? Like you are having 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, okay, these are the primary divisions, and inside that 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, that is the secondary division. Okay, so here if you are just considering is in centimeter, so here these are the subunits of centimeter. Okay, you can say part divisions of centimeter. Now again I may tell you by taking very easy example, linear scale. Linear scale is nothing, it is just a line. One line is drawn, sometimes it is also drawn like this, box type line, like this. This one is 0. Here it may be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this it may be. Clear? And here 1 and 2. In this is suppose written as 10, here written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here they may write 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Here they will write kilometer, here they may write centimeter, whichever unit they are taking. Clear? So both the units are given here, centimeters also, kilometers also. Sometime they will not write downside, they will just take a 15 centimeter scale, and that will be around 2.5. Okay, leave that. Okay, so here like this is there. Now this one side is called primary side. Which side? Primary side or primary division. And this one side, from 0 to this one, left hand side, negative one side, like on number line this is positive and this is negative, but actually it is not negative. Here we are having just fractions. If it is centimeter, so here what we will be having, small divisions will be there. Okay, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, 10 mm. Okay, like this. We are having small units. I have not drawn properly. You just understand that. Okay, how scale is there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. So this is called secondary divisions. Now the advantage of this linear scale is that if it is given like this on a map, if a map is drawn and then scale is there, right, and here something map is there like this way, so you will be able to have estimation of the distances. Okay, that this much distance is 2 centimeter. Okay, suppose I am going to measure from here to here only, right, A to B, and here it is written 2, and here it is written how much, 10. So I will come to know, okay, it is 2, 10, it means 8 centimeter long. Okay, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter long, and the distance upside, if it is written here 200 kilometer and here it is written 1000 kilometer, so I will come to know, okay, it is 800 kilometer distance. Okay, so that is the convenience of linear scale. For understanding linear scale in much better way, you can open Google Maps. On Google Maps you will see it properly. Okay, the size that is digital, in digital form, so the size will increase and decrease to when you zoom it and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so that was all about linear scale. Thank you so much.